Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to join the TikTok Creator Fund. First, open up TikTok. Once on TikTok, you want to select the three lines at the top right of the screen. From here, you want to select Creator Tools. Now you should be on this screen. First, you want to make sure you are eligible to get into Creator Next. The requirements for this are on screen. You need 1,000 followers, 1,000 video views in the last 30 days, and posted 3 videos in the last 30 days. You also need to be at least 18. Once you're accepted into Creator Next, you then want to apply for the Creator Fund. However, you need 10,000 followers, 100,000 views within the last 30 days, and again, you need to be 18. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon.